I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of that change I spent on you. Wherever time's gone, boy, you're so wrong to make those plans you made for two. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be here with you like this. But all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our times that we wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the light. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise, and I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I waste on you. Wherever time's gone, boy, you are so wrong to make those plans you made for two. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. But all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. You turned your back on tomorrow, cause you forgot yesterday. I gave him my love to borrow, but he just gave it away. I don't expect him to be fine, I don't expect me to care. I know I've said this before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the light. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise, and I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I waste on you. Wherever time's gone, boy, you are so wrong. All of those plans you made for two. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be here with you like this. But all your fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone, and I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I waste on you. Wherever time's gone, boy, you are so wrong to make those plans you made for two. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be here with you like this. But all your fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone.